He opened the wrong door. Ravi found a small bag on the road. It was black and a little torn. No one was around. But something inside moved. He felt scared. His heart started beating fast. "Should I open it?" he whispered. He looked left and right again. Slowly, he picked it up. The bag felt warm, very warm, like someone was inside. He walked home quickly. His hands were shaking. He locked the door and placed the bag on the table. For a few seconds, he just stared. The bag moved again. Ravi took a deep breath. Then he opened it. Inside, there was a small baby, wrapped in an old cloth, crying softly. Ravi stepped back. "Whose baby is this?" he said. He looked shocked and confused. His mind stopped working. The baby looked weak. Its face was pale. It needed help, right now. Ravi quickly took water. He tried to calm the baby. The baby slowly stopped crying and held his finger tightly. Ravi felt something strange, a deep connection. He didn't understand why, but he didn't want to leave the baby. He waited for someone to come. Maybe the parents would return. Maybe it was a mistake. But no one came. Hours passed. The sun started going down. Still no one came. The street was empty. Ravi felt worried. What should I do now? He didn't have a family. He lived alone. He remembered his childhood. He was also left alone once. No parents, no one to care. Tears filled his eyes. He looked at the baby again. "I won't leave you," he said softly. "I promise." The next day, he went to the police station. He told them everything. They took the baby for checkup. Days passed. No one claimed the baby. No missing report. No clue at all. The police called Ravi. "Do you want to take care of the baby?" Ravi didn't think twice. "Yes," he said. Life changed for Ravi. He started working harder. He bought milk, clothes, toys, everything the baby needed. He named the baby Arav. Arav smiled a lot. His small laugh filled the house. Ravi was no longer alone. Years passed slowly. Arav grew up happy. He called Ravi Papa, and Ravi loved that word. But one night, a letter came to Ravi's house. No name, no address. Ravi opened it carefully. Inside was a single line. "Thank you for saving my son." Ravi froze. There was more. "If you want the truth, come tomorrow." An address was written below. Ravi felt nervous. Next day, he went to that place. It was an old building, very quiet and empty. He entered slowly. A man was standing inside, wearing simple clothes, looking calm but serious. "Are you Ravi?" the man asked. "Yes," Ravi replied. His voice was shaking. "Who are you?" The man smiled slightly. "I am Arav's real father." Ravi felt the ground move. His heart dropped. "Why did you leave him?" Ravi shouted. His eyes were full of anger. "How can a father do that?" His hands were shaking. The man looked down. "I had no choice," he said. "My enemies wanted to kill him. I had to hide him." Ravi was confused. "What enemies?" The man sighed deeply. "My life is dangerous." "I watched you," the man continued, "from far away. I saw how you cared for him. You gave him love." Ravi felt angry and hurt. "You could have told me. You let me live in confusion." His voice broke. The man nodded slowly. "I'm sorry, but now I want him back." Ravi froze again. Silence filled the room. Ravi's eyes filled with tears. "Arav is my son now," he said. "I raised him." The man stepped closer. "I am his real father. I have rights, but I will ask him." That evening, both went to Ravi's house. Arav opened the door. He smiled brightly. "Papa!" Arav shouted. He hugged Ravi tightly. Then he looked at the man. "Who is he?" Ravi sat down slowly. He explained everything. Arav listened quietly. No smile now. The man knelt down. I am your father, he said. I had to leave you, but I never stopped loving you. Arav looked confused. Two fathers in front of him. Two different lives. One big decision. Who do you want to stay with? The man asked gently. Ravi stayed silent. His heart was breaking. Arav walked slowly, first towards the man, then stopped, then turned back. He held Ravi's hand. I choose you, Arav said. You never left me. You stayed. Ravi started crying, tears of pain and joy. He hugged Arav tightly, like he would never let go. The man smiled softly. There was pain in his eyes, but also peace. You are a good father, he said. He turned and walked away, without looking back, without saying more. He disappeared into silence. Ravi closed the door. He looked at Arav. Thank you, he whispered. Arav smiled again. Years later, Arav became a strong man, kind, honest, and brave. Just like Ravi. One day, Arav asked a question. Papa, what is a real father? Ravi smiled. A real father is not the one who gives life, but the one who stays. When life gets hard. Moral: love is not about blood. Love is about staying, caring, and never leaving.